Hello everyone, I'm DME, and today we are visiting one of the most mysterious places on Earth, a zoo that holds creatures described in ancient biblical texts.
Attention visitors, please have your passes clearly visible. Level 7 containment zones are strictly prohibited without all.
Wait, did you hear that?
It's moving! Oh my god, look!
Okay, this is a lot bigger than I expected. That giant behind me is a Nephilim, and some ancient texts suggest beings like this once walked the earth.
It's absolutely massive. I've never seen anything like it. It's really looking this way.
According to ancient texts, the Nephilim were giants who lived on Earth before the Great Flood, and some accounts describe them as towering beings far larger than any human.
Did you see that? Oh my God! That was insane. I got it on video.
It's absolutely massive.
Oh my god, did you see that? It's massive!
I got it on video. Look.
I still can't believe how massive it was.
Did you see the size of its hands when it moved?
Did you feel that rumble?
It must be absolutely massive. Look at the size of that shadow.
Did you see that? It's moving. Look at the dust cloud.
That roar was incredible.
Oh my god, look at the size of it! Is that real?
It's magnificent. Look at the horns on that thing.
I can't believe I'm seeing this.
Behemoth is described in ancient writings as a massive creature of incredible strength, often compared to the largest beasts ever known.
Look at the size of that thing. It's unbelievable. I can feel the ground shaking.
Did it just look up here? I think it sees us. Keep filming, keep filming. I still can't get over how massive the behemoth was. It was absolutely surreal. I hope the Leviathan isn't that loud. Did you see that? It's huge! I can't believe we actually saw it move.
Leviathan is one of the most terrifying creatures described in ancient scripture, a colossal sea serpent said to rule the depths of the ocean.
Oh my God, look at that. It's huge.
What is it doing?
Get a shot of that. Oh my God, look at the size of it. Look at the size of that thing. It's unbelievable. Is that real? I can't believe we're seeing this. Look at the size of that thing. It's unbelievable. Did you get that shot?
Did you see that splash?
That was insane. Look at the size of that wave.
Did you see that? That might be the legendary Leviathan, Gaudi, the giant sea creature described in ancient scripture.
I've never seen anything like it. Did you see the tail? It was huge. My phone ran out of space right at the end. Yeah.
The ripples are still going. Absolutely massive. I've never seen anything like it.
And we're heading straight for the Fallen Watchers now. This place is unbelievable.
I can't believe this is real.
Look at the size of those gates.
I can't believe how big it is. Look at those chains.
Did you see that muscle twitch?
It's huge. I hope the glass holds.
It's actually moving.
Look at the size of it.
The biomechanical strain on the anchors is increasing exponentially. We need to monitor the resonance immediately.
That was absolutely breathtaking. Did you see the shadows down in the basin?
Girl, yes. I almost didn't want to leave.
Look down there, it's finally moving.
Wow, that is massive. See it slithering?
Look at the size of that thing. It's absolutely massive.
I can't believe it. This is incredible footage.
Oh my God, look at it move. It's absolutely massive. It's absolutely massive. Look at the fangs. Get a shot of the eyes.
I've never seen anything like this. Look how it moves. It's ancient.
Holy cow, did you see that? It's enormous. We should move back. Look at the trail it left behind.
That is the biggest snake I have ever seen. Absolutely incredible.
I can't believe how big that serpent was.
It looked straight out of a storybook.
Yeah, and the scales were incredible.
Look at the wingspan. It's absolutely massive. Get a shot of that.
Oh my God, look. It's huge. Get a picture of that. Look at the size of it.
It's unbelievable. Did you see how fast it landed?
I can't believe we actually got to witness this. Look at the size of that thing. Get a shot of the wings. That was unreal. Look at the wingspan on it.
I know, simply stunning. Did you get a photo before it went behind the rock?
Did you see that? It actually has 6 wings.
I know, it's incredible. The detail on the feathers is amazing.
Are you reading the warnings?
Yeah, but look inside. It's beautiful. The seraphim awaits.
So that's the entrance to the chamber.
I wonder what's inside.
Some ancient texts describe powerful celestial beings known as seraphim, mysterious winged creatures associated with the heavens.
It's absolutely breathtaking. Look at the light on the feathers. I can't believe I'm seeing this.
I can't believe it's actually folding its wings.
The energy signature is stabilizing right on schedule.
I still can't believe how massive that thing was. The scales alone were huge.
And the way it moved, so
Look over there, past the trees, you can see the giraffes.
wow, they're huge. Goodness gracious, look at the size of that Leviathan down there.
Did you see that movement over there?
Incredible. It must be the Nephilim. It's absolutely massive.
Look at that lake, man. It's incredible. The scale is unbelievable. Yeah. Make sure you get the wide shot. Look at the size of that thing. It's actually moving.
I can't believe the size of that thing down there. Did you hear that roar?
Look at the size of that thing.
Is that even real? real?
I cannot believe this is happening. Get a shot of that shadow.
Did you see that? It actually moved. I got it. I got the whole thing. Look at that dust cloud.
This is unbelievable. I can't believe we're seeing this.
Look at that. It's incredible.
The way that the sun hits the water.
That thing must be absolutely massive. Look at the water move.
I've never seen anything like it.
Is it coming closer?
Es enorme. Qué barbaridad.
Look at the size of that swell before it calmed down.
I can't believe we saw that. It's so beautiful now. Look at that. It's huge.
I got it on video. Unbelievable.
So today we explored a zoo unlike anything else, a place where the creatures of ancient legends might actually exist.
Welcome to the Biblical Creatures Zoo. Please have your passes ready as you approach the entrance.
Look at how the light hits those walls.
It's stunning.
Oh my God.
We should definitely come back here next year.